Hey guys, Richard Oki here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a free spying method to help with your Clickbank campaigns. Okay, so the situation is that you want to get started with Clickbank, but you do not know what to do in terms of what type of ads you could use for your native ads, maybe even what type of flows you can have. Should you collect email? Should you have an advertorial? What type of offers should you run? If you're starting from complete scratch and you have a very low budget, then you can at least get inspiration using this free spying method that I'm about to reveal to you on this video today. Now, before I get into anything, I just want to let you know that if you are interested in affiliate marketing and you want to take things to the next level, then check out the free training in the description below. It's completely free. But let's get back into it. So, a free spying method. Now, when you are new to affiliate marketing, you have very low budget, it's best to utilize the only bits of budget you have on traffic, right? So you want to save money wherever possible, because once you know what you're doing, once you're driving traffic and you're making money, you can easily start to invest in all of these fancy little things. But things like spy tools, etc., they are not critical for you to be successful with affiliate marketing, all right? Spy tools for most super affiliates are used purely for inspiration, maybe for a new vertical, maybe for just getting ideas of what's currently being run after a while out of the game, whatever it might be. But spy tools are usually just a starting point. They are not the whole campaign. Now, you do not need to have a spy tool to find affiliate marketing campaigns. What you need to look for are sites that drive a lot of traffic, and they also need to find, they also generate money from advertising, all right? So typically you're looking for sites with clickbaity type of content. And I know that one of these sites is called World Star Hip Hop. There are several of these little sites out there. Well, they're not little in terms of traffic, but there are several sites out there that have like just, I would say, clickbait content, just random stuff, but certain traffic exchanges and certain traffic networks will have ads on these sort of sites. So let me just double check that my ad blocker is off. Awesome. So make sure when you're doing this process, you have your ad blocker off as well. Otherwise, you will not see anything, all right? So make sure you got your ad blocker off, and you wanna head over to a site, maybe like World Star Hip Hop, or any other site that you know. It could be a new site, whatever it might be, that generates a lot of traffic. So what I now want to do is I want to find some form of sponsored content or anything of that nature. And I know with this particular site, when I did manual spying in the past for inspiration, and this is like years ago when I was just getting started, I had to, actually click on videos, I believe. So if I click on a random video, something that's not like explicit, so Tyson Fury, Deontay Wilder fight, I'm just going to mute just in case the video starts playing straight away. And I believe on the right hand side, we should start to see some sponsored content. And this is where things start to get interesting. So let me just quickly pause this video before it gets started. Let's see. Tyson Fury and Deontay Wilder. That's going to be a good fight. But anyway, let's get back to the video. So let's have a look here. So what I'm looking for are sponsored content videos. So I just want to keep scrolling down. I know that they're going to appear somewhere. Oh, there they are. So we see ads by Rev Content, all right, Rev Content. So I'm actually gonna pull up Rev Content right now. Rev Content. Where are you? Yeah, so Rev Content, I would say Rev Content is quite low barriers to entry for affiliates to run traffic on. In terms of like, there's not that many restrictions for you to get started. I think it's like a minimum deposit of $100 or something around that amount. Can't remember, I haven't used them for a while now. But this is the site. So essentially, if you want to get an ad on this particular site, you just go to Rev Content, all right? If you want to be on World Star Hip Hop, sponsored content, then you go to Rev Content. And what we can see already are like Bitcoin ads. This is like a health ad. This is like a crypto sort of ad. And what we can do is we can actually click. So what you want to be doing with this process is you want to actually be copying all of this, right? So you can copy this, paste it into your swipe file, like a notepad or whatever it might be. And that's like an example of a headline. All right, so when you go to running your campaigns, you can then look at that and you know that somebody's running traffic to that headline, and then that can give you at least, at the minimum, a starting point. All right, because if you don't know what you're doing, if you don't know how campaigns look like, then this gives you the inspiration to see what the type of copy that people are writing. You can also download this ad. So I can just save the image if possible. Let's see, can I save the image? Let's have a look. Let's see if one of my tools will work for this one. Yep. So what you want to do, sometimes you may not be able to grab the image directly by right clicking, so you want to have a tool that you can get inside of Chrome, such as Downloader, and now I can easily download that image. All right, because the reason why I can't right click it is because the image is hosted with Rev Content, obviously, because they're a traffic source. So I can just download that in 2 seconds, very simple. And now I would have a headline, and I would have a image, so an actual ad created that I could use for my campaign. So let's look at the landing page. Okay, so Poplar Dad. I'm in the UK right now, so that means that this is trying to target certain areas. I actually don't live in Poplar, but it's not too far from where I live, so I guess it's got some form of geo targeting. So dynamic keyword on the ad. How ordinary men are earning £680 an hour working from home. Awesome. Who says all the Bitcoin success has gone to finance professionals, blah blah. So what you could do is you could actually just swipe this whole landing page in like 2 seconds. So I could just go to SiteSucker. So if you're on Mac, you can go to SiteSucker. But if you're not on Mac, there are going to be other tools that you can use. So what I will do is I'll grab the URL, copy that, paste that in there, press enter, and that should be able to swipe the lander. I don't know if it's swiped actually. I'm not sure if it works, but it's not that difficult to find ways to swipe these landers. If you really want to, if you struggle to find tools to swipe landers, what you can do is you can just, you open up a ClickFunnels account and pretty much copy this structure. It may take you 1 hour or 2 hours to do it, but it saves you money, right? You don't have to get a developer to build it out for you. It's not that difficult for you to build this out because this is a very, very basic landing advertorial. So headline, bit of copy there, big image. And the thing is, when you're running these campaigns, and this is what we try to teach, is you want to be testing out, like on the lander, like different images, for example, different headlines. And these are the two biggest factors on a advertorial, right? The headline and the hero shot, so the main image. They have the highest impact on your click-through rates to the offer than anything else. All right, so it's super important that you get those two things right. So let's have a look here. So this is a lander. Awesome, awesome. So what we can do is we can now look at Clickbank, and we can be like, okay, how can we essentially replicate this type of offer, this type of flow for a Clickbank offer? So I could go here, go to like success, and look at what offers they are promoting in success. So like overnight millionaire system, dream life, mastery. Okay, quite a lot of gravity with this offer. $29 per sale, so it's fairly low ticket, I would say. Millionaire's Brain Academy, and then it's on the Wealth Compass. That's much higher. It's $100 average sale. But yeah, so what you could do is you could just literally go through all of these offers in this section. So I'm in the self-help success, and I can look for different offers in this particular area. Alternatively, the other place where I can find offers for this are, I would say, business. No, not in business investing. Let's have a look at equities and stocks. Yeah, well, let's see if there's any Bitcoin directly, Bitcoin offers in here. Yes, I don't think there's any good Bitcoin offers inside of Clickbank, but it doesn't really matter because the thing with these flows is, so this is the actual offer. So let me go back. Where is the... There we are. So the thing with these lenders is, you know, with Bitcoin, you could say with Forex, you know, with binary, whatever, it doesn't matter. With secret system, it doesn't matter. It's not the Bitcoin that people are buying into. They're buying into this, to the process. All right, the process of them earning something, that earning an amount of income that can change their lives. That's the main thing. So you can swipe this lender and you can modify it for any of the relevant offers on Clickbank that you want to run. Very simple. So, you know, these are some of the offers on Clickbank. So this is one that I clicked on. Overnight Millionaire Mind Hacks. Fair enough. Okay, cool. And then this Dream Life Mastery. Fair enough. And yeah, so these are two offers. So we head back to the main site, the content site. So we see another offer. This is like health related. So I'm gonna click on that offer. And again, we can swipe this headline, swipe the image, and now we have a headline and image. And now it says UK #1 diet slimming pill. And we can see that there is, it looks like a news site, all right? Daily Herald, all right? So they didn't, some landers are super aggressive where they actually take the name, like Daily Mail, but this one is obviously abiding by the rules, you know, by putting that, right? Even then, it's still a little bit misleading, but it's how, it's, you know, what needs to be done. So this is promoting like a keto offer, but it's a keto pill, I believe. Yeah, so keto pill. So all you can do is find like any sort of supplement type product inside of Clickbank and replicate the same landing page structure for that supplement, right? It's very, very simple. Because again, like I said, it's not this specific thing. I could rotate that for 10 offers and, like, you know, I'd get similar results as long as the offer conversion rate is good. But it's the main thing people are selling is the whole process. So like this headline that people are buying into, sorry, this headline, this image, the story, you know, the hook in the advertorial, what advertorial is driving people to, that in terms of the CTA, that's what people buy into. They don't buy into these little products, right? So don't worry, like this is not a Clickbank offer, this is not a Clickbank. Use this as inspiration, because I'm telling you, when you do get into a spy tool and you start looking at all of these different like landers and stuff, you're gonna see a lot of similarities. And you're gonna realize that, wait, I could have just found this manually for a lot of the type of niches you're going to run. And you know, obviously you can get a lot more data in terms of what specific landing page style is working when you have a spy tool. However, if you have low budget, this is like the most perfect scenario you can be in, where you can manually swipe, you can manually get inspiration, you can manually spy on top affiliate campaigns. I'm not sure if this site is on similar web, but let's have a look. No, it's not. Let's have a look at this one. Wow, so this particular affiliate for this Bitcoin campaign that we've seen is definitely a super affiliate, because we can see that they drive an average monthly visit of 1.5 million people. 1.5 million people every single month head to this site, right? It may be to different offers that this affiliate is running, but this is a super affiliate. If you're driving 1.5 million clicks to your site every single month, then you're making a good amount of income, all right? Therefore, you know, this is a super affiliate landing page that we've seen. And how long did it take me to find this? It took me literally a couple of minutes. So if you're at home, you have low budget, maybe you're in a tier 3, tier 2 country, and obviously maybe your income is a little bit lower, so you can't really afford a spy tool, there is no excuse. You can do this method, find these campaigns for free, get inspiration, and start building these out yourself and start driving traffic to these landers. So let's actually take a look at the offer that's here. So let's see. Okay, so they're securing some micro commitments with their advertorial. So there's no button clicks, as you can see, and I need to complete this first. Blah blah blah. I'm actually not a popular resident, but cool. Okay, going to get redirected to the offer. Yeah, Bitcoin lifestyle. Yeah. Right, awesome. So this affiliate is running this Bitcoin lifestyle offer and making some good money with it, for sure. Can I see any data? No, I can't see any data on the offer. But yeah, so if I refresh this page, I should be able to see some more offers, hopefully. It doesn't always work, but sometimes, you know, we get lucky. So let's take a look. Yeah. So again, already I've seen some new ads that affiliates are running. This is definitely like a CPA offer. What else is this? Yeah, so this one out of the, another one is like another Bitcoin offer, right? So you can literally just spend all day just refreshing pages on these type of sites. And obviously this is like one type of site. Every site has a different type of campaigns that are run, because, you know, maybe this audience is more susceptible to crypto type offers, to weight loss type offers, whereas other sites you go onto may have different types of offers. So make sure you test out different sites. Don't just go to like World Star Hip Hop because I'm on it. That's just a random thing, just kind of knew that there's a lot of you know, rev content ads on that particular site. But, you know, do your research, find other sites and do the same method. It's completely free. Like, it literally doesn't cost you a thing, and it took me like minutes to find all these ads, right? And this is another lander that I could just swipe. Another offer, again, a keto type offer, and yeah, that simple. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do enjoy this process of, you know, being an affiliate marketer, and you want to take things to the next level for yourself, your business, your family, whatever is important to you, then make sure you check out the link in the description below for a free affiliate marketing training that will give you all of these types of tips in much more detail, and let you know exactly how we have built out, you know, some of the big campaigns that we've built out that you see every single day on YouTube. So if you enjoyed the video, smash the like button, drop me a comment for something that you might want to see in one of the next videos, and I'll see you soon.
Allow me to introduce the Dice University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on Clickbank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dice University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.